Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be doing simple interest. Let's get started. Simple interest is the interest calculated on the principal, the portion of a loan, or the original contribution to a savings account. Now, it's a quick and easy way to calculate the interest charge on a loan. Simple interest is SI and P is principal, R is interest rate, and T is duration in terms of years. So simple interest is equal to P times R times T, where P is the principal, R is the rate, and T is the time. Now, calculating the total amount is equal to the principal plus the interest, which is a simple interest, and the amount is the money that is paid back at the end of the time period for which it was borrowed. Let's look at the first activity. A student obtains a simple interest loan to pay 1 year of college tuition, which costs $18,000, and the annual interest rate on the loan is 6%. The student repays the loan over 3 years. The amount of simple interest paid is, let's look at the formula. Simple interest is equal to the principal times the rate times time, which is in years. I need to identify what I have. The principal is the tuition cost, which is $18,000. So that is considered to be my principal, what I had borrowed. So this is my principal, and rate is in percentage, but we always convert it to decimal. So 6% is the rate, but divide it by 100 to convert it to decimal. So what I have is 0.06. Finally, T is time and it is in years, so it will be 3. Having this information, I can now substitute into the formula to find simple interest. So I will identify the components P, R, and T. P, that is $18,000. R, after converting it to decimal, it's 0.06. And T, which is time in years, is 3. So multiplying this, 18,000 times 0.06 times 3 will give us our simple interest. So our answer is $3,240. Now the next part is asking the total amount paid, and it's the simple interest plus our principal. So I will have the simple interest plus principal to give me the total amount paid. So we have $3,240 plus the tuition costs. So we have 18,000. So just remember, it's the interest being added to the amount borrowed. So the total will give me $21,240. And that's it. This is the total amount being paid. Paul borrowed $50,000 for 3 years at the rate of 3.5% per annum. Find the interest accumulated at the end of 3 years. Here we have the simple interest formula. First, identify what is P. The amount borrowed is the principal, which is $50,000. Next, we have time, which is 3 years. So T is equal to 3. Finally, I have the rate. The rate is 3.5%. Rate is always converted to decimal, so I will have 3.5 divided by 100, and that will give me 0.035. So our rate is always in decimal when we're calculating it. Now to substitute to find our unknown. Our unknown is a simple interest. So principal is 50,000. So I go ahead and I write my 50,000 multiplied by the rate, which is 0.035, times t, which is the years. So times it by 3, and that will give me the simple interest, which is the interest on the money, is $5,250. And that's it. So watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel